Welcome back to our channel. If your iPhone gets stuck on the Apple logo after an update and just won't go back to normal, it's very likely your storage is full and the firmware got stuck while loading. Don't worry, I'll show you 3 ways to fix it. Method 1. Hard reset your iPhone. Press volume up once, then volume down once, then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Your iPhone will be forced to restart. This usually fixes minor system crashes. If it's still stuck, move on to the next method. Method 2. Fix iPhone using iTunes. First, connect your iPhone to your computer. Then press volume up, press volume down, and press and hold the power button. Just like a hard reset, but hold it longer, until your iPhone enters recovery mode. Now open iTunes. It will detect that your iPhone has an issue. You can click Update to reinstall the firmware without deleting your data. If that doesn't work, click Restore. This will reset your iPhone to factory settings and erase all data. If you don't want to lose your data, there's a better option. Method 3. Fix your iPhone with ReiBoot. ReiBoot is a professional iOS repair tool trusted by millions of users. It can fix over 150 iOS system issues and also supports one-click backup and restore. To keep your data safe, I've put the download link in the description. First, connect your iPhone to your computer, then open ReiBoot and click Start Repair. Choose Standard Repair, then download the firmware package. This may take a little time. Once the download is complete, the repair will start automatically. After it's done, your iPhone will restart normally and the system will be refreshed at the same time. At this point, make sure to free up some storage space. It will help your iPhone run smoother and stay more stable. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.